this whole flat thing, since it happened, I feel like it's been very sensitive for A Plus. Unya boss one now A Plus still. You've seen how the whole thing has played out. One thing I will forever be an advocate of is bass bros, and that is why I like A Plus. On this episode of Viewpoint, we are getting into A Plus and United Showbiz. But I'm not alone on this particular episode, that's usual. My name is KY, but then I'm here with
Arnold.
This episode, they excite me.
So we need because people they go at themselves. But sometimes A Plus maintenance you.
You come for you.
Honorable.
Last time you were supporting him. This time you're against the motion.
Honorable. Someone was like, already comment keke.
So what happened on the whole United show? Is it not the same show? That's why they told him the entertainment's near. Yeah.
This same show and also count. This same show and all that.
So he was on United Showbiz, right? And then Ola Michael passed a comment and said that in as much as the flooding issue is happening and then we don't have the drainage, blah, 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 but then he blames the citizens for these things as well. Like he was just buttressing on that point.
Yeah.
And I mean, we've established this point on this show a lot of times that the government has a part to play, but we are also the major constituents to whatever is happening. That was Ola Michael's offense, so...
Are you... No, it wasn't that all. It wasn't that at all.
So what triggered A Plus?
So what triggered him was fine. No, one can flat no one saying that, but he was reading comments on social media with regards to whatever they were discussing. And he read a comment from someone.
That's it.
A random person that was throwing shot at
A Plus.
And A Plus vex here.
So why did he insult him that he said?
Say, I don't know what kind of idea. That's how they be now. Obi ya madam for kind of no say ya neighbor and away criticism neighbor.
Because I'm sure say all can say because when this whole flooding thing was happening, A Plus was going at the government, say the government has to do this and this. But I don't think I saw a part where he was like for the people.
For the people?
Yes.
No, he was actually for the people, especially the video where the journalists were interviewing right beside his car.
That was after he had insulted.
And that was after one blasting Nipan. And do you know the funny thing? Or say Nipan cry oh free the constituency.
Nipan no catch on that boy.
Sana A Plus time. Because the business is now way ya o say no ono ya the constituency down. But Nipan cry oh free. So it's about Charlie Ghana for the more you just a random person just decided to do a video.
Nebuseni on one constituency. I'm defending my Ebuseni.
And the my Ebuseni no bra on be na camera so no can
only sa akudro.
Because
what's the office said the way say me my J office has defense abossos. Now if somebody worries woman me so ebia only akudro no and amaje abosso.
There's any pan on what ya free, I didn't ya free. A Plus came to blast everybody. A Plus or blast
me, I'm sure that Ola Michael is because he didn't support A Plus when it came to the government thing.
And so now A Plus have vexing and crowded that or chairman or family because for you to just go at some like a respected person, senseless.
Maybe should see that no simple Obi friend senseless. They beham you.
Hey, Obi Kunu. How?
Daddy, they called you senseless on TV today.
Telling Osaka say he's not progressive. Just say how can you tell someone?
Oh, but this? Arnold, I don't agree with A Plus's approach when it comes to this whole particular episode. But the one thing I would stand on when it comes to A Plus is the fact that Oman Nigbasa will be boost.
Oman Nigbasa will be boost. And no interest the bass boost, no, it be right too.
Arnold.
So will be a wrong answer or confronting or then you'll be wrong confronting the person.
No, after that one there is different. But I told you when we were talking about the Shatawale and Stoneboy thing that we put people on a certain pedestal and we agree that maybe a way or a public figure and all of that. But then remember that on also feelings. Into me like this, if I'm in a position like that and every day giving me gas, but one day I'll give you both too.
See, he according to Ghana Web, he stated that you, Ola Michael, cannot advise me Do you know where I came from and how I have been able to get to this position? Oh, A plus. Honorable, it be true. You be MP. Ola Michael no be MP. He never chopped MP before. You don't know how the election served.
But you know me, but you can't tell.
No, but you can't tell him. Because he can't advise you. So who say senseless.
Everybody can advise everybody. Obiat me advise you.
No, but let me tell you something about the advice part. Me, I believe in you can't advise me. That is me, my own.
What do you mean by somebody can't advise you?
Your experience will be my experience.
I agree.
You understand?
I agree.
So what shows you can give me something? You can say some kind of words that would make me be better in my life or in my experience. You've never experienced.
Me, when it comes to advising somebody, I'm not advising you based off of the situation you are in. No, I'm advising you to make your decision taking easier. So let's say maybe you are at a job, you are thinking whether or not to quit. I won't tell you that, oh, don't quit your job because of this. Or I'll tell you that quit your job before. I will lay your options in front of you. This is happening. This is what is happening to you. Look at this and look at this. And that decision solely depends on you. Whatever I decide to do, I'm just putting my input based off of the facts I have, not because I've experienced what you're going through. That is why when I'm trying to console somebody, I tell the person that I won't even pretend or lie to you that I know what you're going through. I don't. But this is where I stand. That is how I advise people. So you cannot tell me that I can't advise. I'm not advising you because I've walked in your shoes before. No. But I'm just making things slightly easier for you when it comes to you making a decision on the situation.
Okay, so you see the options you are giving, the options you are going to give the person, is from, let's say, your view. Your point of view. What you have thought, say, this can work for the person. So what are the options?
The information you've made available to me, based on that, I will tell you what I think. What you should do.
Okay.
That is how I advise people.
Options. No? Okay. But when you say some options, I don't guarantee say like I know your actual options. Do you know that? Baby, you don't get it. Listen. What I said from the beginning was the experience. You understand?
Yes.
The experience.
And I said I don't have that experience.
You don't have that experience. That options. That options. And your options.
I'm not saying. I'm not telling you that. Really laughing. I'm not telling you that maybe I do this because I've done it before and I've seen how it is.
No. I didn't say you are telling me that.
Remember that
I use the same word you are using. Options.
Remember that we had a conversation where I was telling you that I would prefer to date an older person because a younger person. I said I would prefer to date an older person because a younger person cannot advise me on life. And I give you an example that if I'm going through something or have a situation at hand, the person could give me guidance, not because he has experienced it, but because he may have seen other people going through it and however they chose to work it out and whether or not it worked for them, it will help him in telling me. It will help him in giving me options to deal with, and based off of that, I can make my decisions. Do you remember that conversation?
Yeah, I remember.
So that's what I'm saying. I'm not saying, let's say, like I said, somebody is trying to pick between jobs. Me, I've not even worked any of the jobs before. I've not been there with the person. How can I advise the person based on that? I won't advise the person based on that, but I'll advise the person based off of what the person has given me.
Okay.
That is all I'm saying.
You see, you don't understand where I am coming from.
Help me understand.
Okay. We are talking about experiences. Okay. Your experience, my experience.
Before you continue, do you think
you something?
Before you continue, do you think a person can only advise you on a situation they have been through?
They have been through.
Yes.
And from the beginning, my career said advice means that advice themselves. Safe. I dey go with them. You know, if you advise them. No, me, you know, if you advise.
Okay, I understand you. If you feel like it's only experience that can make a person advise a person, I understand where you're coming from.
And I don't believe what I'm trying to let you know is the advice. Advice. I don't believe the concept of advice.
So you've not been in a situation where you need another person's input, even your mother or your sister?
I need your input, but I don't need advice.
What do you think advice means?
See. Your input. Oh, tell me what you think. Okay. But when someone is advising you, the person expects say you pick something.
Let's Google advice. Help me Google advice on your
Okay. Let let's Google advice. Do you want ChatGPT explanation or
no? ChatGPT
normal
will say lie
Google?
to you. Google.
Google, okay, all right. Into advice, Google. Define advice. Okay. So, an opinion or recommendation offered to guide someone's action in a specific situation.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. Opinion or recommendation.
Or recommendation.
It's not opinion and recommend. It's opinion or.
Did I say end?
No, I'm asking you. You said or.
Yeah,
So it's or. So it means it could be either or.
Yeah, it could
yes.
be either.
So in this situation, it's not a recommendation. It's an opinion. What I think.
Yes.
That's what an advice is.
Yes. You see what you think in a specific situation.
Yes.
Specific situation.
Which means the issue at hand.
That's the issue at hand. Means. Yes. You understand?
Yeah.
And I'm a person who say, if you think you have an example of that specific situation, based off of that example of the specific situation at hand, you can give options. Then that option is near wrong because that specific situation, my experience is different from the person's own.
That is why I asked you, do you believe that advice is only given from somebody that has been through the experience you are talking about?
Mm-hmm.
You said yes.
Mm-hmm.
I get you. That is tailored to you. But when it comes to general advice, it's not expected that you listen to whatever it is. That is why people are going to advise. You can take it or they will tell you that you can take it or leave it.
Yeah.
Yes, so it's not an expectancy.
Do you know the people that actually say take it or leave it? They are the smart ones because they know say. Yeah.
Yeah.
So you understand? Intermediate.
So advice doesn't.
You know, they hold water.
No, that's not what I want to say. Advice it's not limited to expectations. You're not supposed to expect the person to take it from you. You're just saying your opinion, and that is where I stand. Yeah. So.
Yeah. And see, or not telling Ola say you can't advise me, Me, I go with them. You can't advise me because or no say or your honorable. Ni set us no was so.
Based on everything that's
you can't tell me anything that you feel say because I have gone on social media insulting people about the flood and all that. You feel say you have an opinion and you can advise me. You can't advise me. That's what A Plus is telling Ola.
That is happening with A Plus and Ola right now.
Mm-hmm.
A Plus is coming from a place of mayor MP. You're not an MP. But then if he's trying to say in general, Ola cannot advise him. That I don't agree with.
That's why you don't agree.
No, I don't agree.
Okay, so they were talking about the flat. So I'm sure maybe it's because of the flat.
Because let's say
so
right
MP
now,
side.
if I tell you that I'm cramping, I've tried this and this and this, I would. It's clear that you can't advise me. I can't
advise you.
Yes.
Yeah.
But if I tell you that, oh, Arnold, I want to put something in the fridge, but I don't know whether it will go bad or it will go. You and I have been in that space. You know what the fridge. So you can advise me in that sense. It's the same as Ola can advise A Plus in something. Maybe when it comes to family, because they are both married people. Is A Plus married? Yes.
Yeah, A Plus is
so they are both married. So I don't agree with him saying generally say owns me advising no.
Wakan.
And
yeah, said what you said. Yeah. However, as I was saying from the beginning, but I don't side with the part say he was being harsh on Ola Michael on live TV. You understand? He should have.
But
he
that's
should have considered.
A Plus just.
But he should have considered the fact say that particular statement or that comment wasn't straight from Ola Michael. It was from someone on social media.
Like I said, flat thing. Once I say or can say the whole flat thing. He was for the people, and A Plus was for the. Ola was against the government. I mean, he was against the people, saying that it is our attitude and things, and then A Plus also saying the government has to do this and this and this. So I think from there and Kasana tension, that's why I started the episode with that particular back and forth. Or the attention will hold because this whole flat thing, since it happened, I feel like it's been very sensitive for A Plus. Unya boss who are now a plus still. You've seen how the whole thing has played out.
Yeah, and in a way, he's right to do that because we've lived in Ghana for so many years. Me, my whole life, I did Ghana. What I say, So my whole life I've been seeing floods. My whole life I see that the government don't work on it.
Sorry.
You understand? My whole life I know say Alajo be flood prone area. You get it? Until recently, a lot of developers have moved to Lakeside. No, I didn't know say Lakeside is flood prone area, but see Anna in living over there have built a lot of real estate and all that. Now we know that place is a flood prone area. We know that place is a waterway. And see, the government knew from the start, say, aha, it's your toa. say, aha, the people living here, they are dirty. The gutter is not well structured. The bridges, what? Why is the government not working? You see, that is A plus ono. And ka government no muye ejuma de dada nka ye share sa problem.
Dada, in what sense? Ejuma ben kwa. Because if the government has provided drainage for you, now would you rush him one? Does it mean the government hasn't done their job?
Okay, let me tell you where the government not doing job. If you do the drainage, okay, there are task force you can create, okay, for them to be assigned to inspect, okay, or monitor people that do or throw rubbish or stuff into the drainage system. You understand? We don't have those task force. We don't have that kind of system. When you go to the Western world, they have a system where everybody they work. There are task forces almost everywhere. You understand? So you that you are living there, no, you know that hey, if I throw this rubber, maybe camera will see me. Maybe some task force officer there around, he go notice me. He go find me at the spot. You understand? This place we don't do that. So it's like free will. Obi Ghana for what we feel we feel do. That be the government issue. No, that be what A Plus talk about. Yeah.
You grew up there. How many times have you seen people line up as a family dumping when they shank and finish, you dump it inside the gutter?
Several times.
Good, bless your kind soul. Since you were a child, Obi ni who send mama yesa. So no son obey, or no so about her son obey. And throughout this whole time, there have been different government institutions, right? We've established that. People are building in Ramsar sites. It's the same government institutions that are breaking down buildings. It's not the same people that are saying, me who naked, me trim me to a family, me yese. Pick a struggle.
Because sister na okaya no na wo hwe the behavior of others, right?
Yes.
And sister nipa na or kesi we yi ne ho no onim say baby a we see dan no wrong. Because onyi no o say normal people are building on the site. So
who is going
why
to
is it that eju me so am building no, then you come and break it by all miss nipa ni gbefu. If we were able to build those systems, okay, right from the start, from Independence Day.
A Plus, but I don't know papa and catcher Kwame
ni papa when who salvation. Ni papa no on your MP no. It's not no MP now or believe say if we instill this kind of institutions, if we put down all these institutions in place, they can regulate all these things.
So it is now that you are giving your opinion about something, don't make it seem as though the opinion has already been there since, and the people that are present, maybe position our crisis here. Make I say, you're supposed to do something. Your predecessor was supposed to do something, and I want yes. So I'm coming to put the blame on you and tell you that
But one can say Ola Michael was blasting the people, yes. And he was blasting the government.
Yes.
So he is blasting the government. He's blasting the government because the government don't have those institutions.
But why is he trying to make it seem like Ola Michael, let's focus on the government? That was what the conversation was heading.
Yes, let me tell you something. You see this flat thing, If we focus on the government, people won't suffer.
No, everybody should collect their own. I don't agree. Focus on one side of the. No, I don't agree.
No,
I don't agree.
I have this thing. I usually tell my friends
that puts people in government, right? So if you are blasting people, and then if you are blasting people, let's say with our society, if you're blasting the government, right, and then they tend to do their job right now. I'm not saying they shouldn't do their job because they're supposed to do their job. That's why I put them in power. But if they do their job right now, and our election year, if the people put the ones that they want in power, do you think they are still going to be as stern and as firm as the previous government was?
You see, the mentality, no.
So it is
if
all
we
of
decide,
us.
No, it is government.
It is all of us.
Those same people, no, they are there in the government.
It is all of us.
It's not all of us.
If the poor your area don't shank and put in the gutter, and the government is able to clean as they are supposed to.
If the government bring KY, you wear tax force, where you the hold cane or you the hold water gun.
Thank you very much for joining us on this episode.
If they throw rubbish and KY, you are lashing them. Do you think they'll be? You see the military.
They were lashing them. And then remoke of power, they are still crossing.
Because since childbirth, they see the lash, it be new to them. It's just a face.
Going in the comments,
it's just a face.
Adult will still be for the government.
I support the fact that A Plus is blasting the government.
Keep the conversation going in the comments. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. This is Viewpoints. My name is KY, and I did this with.
I know.
Follow us on all socials too.